Non-Americans of Reddit, what is the craziest rumor you heard about America that turned out to be true? 1. Literally anything about what goes on in Florida. 2. Injured people try to avoid getting ambulances called for them. 3. They have those angry sinks that chop stuff up. I'm told they are called garbage disposals. 4. That Hawaiians actually enjoy eating spam. 5. Homeowners associations. What the F is up with that? 6. As a Brit living in America, the amount of pharmaceutical commercials on TV is creepy. 7. I've had several German friends who were amazed that at house parties everyone actually does drink out of red Solo cups. They thought that was just a weird thing people did in movies, and now they think it is a huge conspiracy or something. 8. My dad heard this crazy rumor about everyone getting drunk and wearing green for one day a year. He obviously didn't know this was a holiday, and was like, WTF. When he came to the US and discovered St. Patrick's Day, he was amazed. He's from China, BTW. 9. The honking. I thought it was a movie stereotype, and then I went to New York City.